Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ford Explorer XLT. Under the hood we have a 3.5 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in a goldy brown color. It looks very nice. I really like it. You got the silver accenting right up front with that Ford logo there, and you do have projector style headlights right there and your fog lights hanging out just at the bottom. Now coming around the side, we do have Michelin brand tires, and they look fantastic. They are 18-inch rims and they look great. You got the Ford logo there. Now we do have the heated exterior mirrors here in the black, and they do have the turning signals on them. Now coming all the way around to the back, we do have that XLT logo right over there in the Ford, as well as it does tell you that it's flex fuel four-wheel drive. Sorry. You got your backup camera there, and when you press this, as long as it's unlocked, it does open up for you just like that. Very cool. You got lots of room back here, lots of storage. You do have your additional mats just hanging out in there. Now as well, these seats do fold down, so you just gotta follow the instructions. So you pull this one for one, just like that, and then two is the red one, and you gotta push it forward, just like that. And then this one is this, plus you pull this. A little bit hard when you are holding a camera, and it folds down just like that. And that side folds up, and then you got a flat surface to lay stuff down on. It's very nice. You can fold those other ones forward as well, and you got lots and lots of room. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 presses to unlock all the doors. You got 1 to lock them. You do have your panic there, and 2 presses to open up the back. But if you unlock, we can take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have your locks. You have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out in there. Your auto windows. Got a bit of chrome accenting here and a handle. Leather here, very comfortable to sit your arm on. You got lots of storage down here with a cup holder. Now, the vehicle itself is very spacious, very comfortable. These seats are very squishy and nice. It'll keep you comfortable. Over here, we got our controls over our lights. We got our off, our on, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our fog lights here and the in-cabin light control. And this guy does open up the trunk. And down here we do have the controls of our seats, so backward and forward and tilt, and your lumbar support there. And then you do have the controls over your high beams and your turning signals right here. Okay, let's start her up. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge, and we have our compass right there. It does also tell us all sorts of different information. We can change the compass there to your phone or to your entertainment. It does also tell us the temperature outside and the time. And then on the other side, we can switch that guy up. You got display mode, you got your trip A and B, fuel economy, driver assistant, and your settings. And then within them, there's a whole bunch of different options that you can switch around. That is controlled from your steering wheel right here, as well as the other side is controlled from this one. And then you also have this guy with your cruise control, horn in the center, and this one is your seek, your volume, and your Bluetooth controls. Very nice. You also have your windshield wiper controls right there. And then we have our touchscreen display right over here, so you do have your phone if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You have your radio, which does also come with AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as you got a CD, USB plug-in, and then you got your Bluetooth, SD card, or you can put a line in. You also have all sorts of different guys here. So you have your climate control, you got heated seats, and you also have your information just over there. And when you do shift into reverse, you do have your backup camera, which always is very, very handy, good to have. And then you also have your CD player right here, your seek, which are touch buttons, very cool. You got your volume up and down, your tune, then you have your temperature here, you have your dual climate control over here. Then you have your defrosts, your front and rear, your auto. This one's your power, as well as how fast it's going to blow out. Then your AC and your circulation and all that. This guy right here, if you press this, does open just up like that. Then you get your SD card slot, your line in, and your USB plugins, plus some additional storage just down there. You got your cup holders here, as well as this one is your terrain selector. So you do have all sorts of different ones. You have your mud and rut mode, sorry. You have your sand mode, and then this guy is your snow, gravel, and grass mode, and it just helps you drive in those different situations. Plus this guy right here is your hill descent. You can press that, and it helps you go downhill. And then you got your armrest in the center that does double as a storage container. Lots and lots of room in there. As well, you do have a locking glove box right here. Open that guy up, and there's lots of room, plus your owner's manual right in there. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. Now you do have the controls over your windows here, your handle here, more that chrome accenting and the same material throughout. It looks awesome, very comfortable. They do have the climate control back here as well, so they can control it themselves. And there is tons of room. It does seat 7 people all together, and you can just pull this guy right here to fold that down. You can get into those back seats, and they do have some cup holders and their own speakers back there as well. And there's our 3.5 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Ford Explorer XLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.